Question 1. A student is studying calcium, a highly reactive element that humans need for strong bones. Which characteristic of calcium is most closely related to its chemical reactivity? A. The 20 protons in each atom of calcium. B. The density of calcium, which is 1.54 grams per centimeter cubed. C. The atomic mass of calcium, which is 40.078 atomic mass unit. Or D. The 2 valence electrons in each atom of calcium. Question 2. When trying to identify an unknown element, a scientist determines what other elements then unknown element reacts with chemically. Which property of the unknown element determines the other elements it reacts with? A. The total number of neutrons in the unknown element. B. The total number of particles in the nucleus of the unknown element. C. The number of protons in the nucleus of the unknown element. Or D. The number of valence electrons in the unknown element. Question 3. Which atomic particle is responsible for determining an element's reactivity? A. Protons only. B. Neutrons and protons. C. Valence electrons only. Or D. All electrons. Question 4. The number of electrons in the outermost energy level of an atom is referred to as its blank and determines the atom's blank. A. Valence number, identity. B. Valence number, reactivity. C. Atomic number, identity. Or D. Atomic number, reactivity. Question 5. Which of the following atoms are most similar in reactivity? Question 6. Would the following atoms have similar reactivity? A. Yes, because they all have the same number of electron shells. B. No, because they all have different numbers of total electrons. C. Yes, because they have different numbers of total electrons. D. No, because they all have different numbers of valence electrons. Question 7. The chemical properties of an element are determined by its A. Atomic mass, B. Proton number, C. Valence electrons, or D. Atomic size. Question 8. Group 1, the alkali metals, includes lithium, sodium, and potassium. These elements have similar chemical properties because they have the same A. Number of protons and neutrons, B. Number of electrons in the outer energy level, C. Number of protons in the nucleus, or D. Number of neutrons in the nucleus. Question 9. The identity of an atom is determined by the A. Protons and neutrons, B. Protons, C. Neutrons, or D. Protons and electrons. Question 10. During radioactive decay, it is possible for an element to lose protons. Which of the following will occur if the element's number of protons decreases? A. There will be no change. B. The identity of the element will change. C. The element will become more reactive. D. The atomic number will increase. Question 11. A model of an atom is shown below. An atom of which element is represented by this model? A. Boron, B. Carbon, C. Neon, or D. Sodium. Question 12. The diagram below represents a model of an atom that makes up the element A. Fluorine, B. Helium, C. Beryllium, D. Oxygen. Question 13. The table below lists 3 characteristics of an atom of an element. Characteristics of an element: number of protons, 37, number of neutrons, 48, number of valence electrons, 1. An atom of which element is described by the data in the table? A. Radon, B. Cadmium, C. Rubidium, D. Astatine. Question 14. Which drawing best represents an atom of lithium? Question 15. Which of the following atoms has 12 protons? A. Li, B. Mg, C. F, or D. He.